Slayer. My name's April. So I wanted to hop on really quickly to go over the 5 new holiday collection bars that will be coming to the catalog on October 1st. I was able to snag my early access kit. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. So the first scent is Cranberry Candy Cane. And the scent notes are fresh cranberries, pomegranate, and peppermint sticks. And so when I first smell this, I am getting like a really creamy vanilla candy cane scent. And on the bottom, I'm really picking up that bright cranberry and pomegranate. It's all blended together really, really nicely. And something that's interesting, it doesn't say vanilla in the scent notes, but I'm telling you, there is some vanilla in the scent because it's not like a super strong peppermint. It's like a creamy, rich, vanilla-based peppermint, almost candied-like, with that tart cranberry and pomegranate. It's really nice. So I would say if you like scents like candy cane buttercream, maybe give this one a try. I think this one might be a little bit stronger because it has that added pomegranate and cranberry note to it. So really, really nice. I like that one a lot. Cannot wait to warm it. And the next one, which is getting a lot of buzz right now, is Vanilla Barnwood. And the scent notes are barnwood, creamy vanilla, and rich amber. So I don't know what barnwood scent note is, or fragrance oil, but I like it. So this screams beautiful, sexy, sensual vanilla. That barnwood, it just must be like a really light, fragrant, woody note. The vanilla is really shining through with this scent. And the rich amber, I think, is kind of giving it that sultry, sexy kind of body care scent. I really like that one. I would say if you were a fan of Vanilla Waves, but you can't get that anymore, or maybe Vitamin Relax, maybe give this one a try. It's not the same scent, but it's kind of in that family of just that really pretty, nice, creamy vanilla. So Vanilla Barnwood, I predict this is going to be the best seller out of the bunch. Really, really nice. Okay, next is Rum Pum Plum, and that is such a tongue twister. So the scent notes are sweet plum jam, vanilla sugar, flaky buttery crust. And I have seen some people comparing this one to sweet plum pastry. And I think that's a reach. I'm really not getting that kind of scent from this. But what I am getting is that flaky buttery crust. So I would 100% put this in a bakery category. It's really nice. And it's like a rich, flaky, buttery crust. Sweet plum jam, I am getting that sweet plum note. And I could see it being like the jammy note, maybe some added sugar. And then the vanilla sugar, again, adding some extra sweetness. This is really nice. I think this is probably going to be a great performer, and I think this one might be a really popular scent as well. So for me, I would say if you like scents kind of like winterberry apple tea, maybe give this one a try. Really nice, and I think it's going to super transform on warm. Okay, next up is Cherries Jubilee. So the scent notes are black cherry, raspberry, and zesty lemon. And it's a beautiful bright red colored wax. Okay, you guys. So I'm getting the cherry, but it's like a bright, deep, rich cherry. It's not heavy. It's not cough syrupy. It is delicious. Raspberry and zesty lemon. If it's there, it's just kind of elevating that cherry scent, kind of brightening it up. I would say if you missed out on red, white, and berry pie, you didn't club it, and you kind of regret it, pick this one up, you guys. This one is so yummy. I took red, white, and berry pie out of my club, so you better believe this one's gonna go in to replace it. It seriously reminds me of it like so much. They're sister scents. Really good. Cannot wait to warm that one. And the last one out of the bunch is Sleigh Ride. And the scent notes are crisp air, fir needle, and tart cranberry. So this is nice. I'm getting that like fresh, invigorating, clean air. And the fir needle, it's there, but it's not like too powerful. It's kind of in the middle row. It's not in the front seat, but it's not in the back seat. It's in that middle row. And the tart cranberry, I think it's just adding some freshness, some brightness, and a little sweetness to the scent. Really good. I cannot wait to warm this one. I would say if you were a fan of icicles and evergreen, it's not the same scent, but just that kind of vibe, maybe give this one a try. Really nice, and that is Sleigh Ride. And one thing to note also is if you pick up the whole 5-pack bundle, again, it's gonna come in this super cute bag, similar to the holiday collection. Okay, that is it. That is all the scents, and I will put some pictures at the end of this video so you can kind of see what else is coming. Thank you so much. And if you're a consultant and you've smelled these already, let me know which scent is your favorite. I would say for me personally, probably that Vanilla Barnwood or Rum Pum Plum. And if you just like to watch videos or if you're a customer, let me know which one you are most interested in. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you later.